Hey, welcome back to episode number 2, Real Estate Questions and Answers with Clayton, where you ask your real estate questions and I answer them. So today's question comes from Jessica, and that question is... Oh, there it is. So, our question from Jessica is, can a realtor assist whether an addition would be okay or whether the trends in the coming years suggest selling rather than investing money into that property? So great question, Jessica. Yes, a good real estate agent can definitely help you with that. Now, whether it's the right decision or not is definitely going to come down to your current situation. So, and what's happening in the subdivision? What does all the other properties have and don't have compared to yours? I think in a lot of cases, when you're looking in a normal type of subdivision, it's not going to make too much sense. You might be able to get some value from it, but overall, you're not going to see a big return on that investment. Kind of like putting a pool in. You go drop an $80,000 pool into a house around $350,000, you might be lucky enough to get $20,000 back from that pool. So in most cases, I don't think it's going to be the right decision. But there are cases like if you were out in Huffman, Crosby, adding some additions to a house, depending on what they are, could definitely add a lot more value than what it costs to put in. So if anybody has any questions about their particular property, feel free to reach out to me. Let's look over those. And then let's also talk about your situation. Your situation might dictate it's better to move than it is to stay and spend a lot of money on doing some of those big projects. So do you have a real estate question? Is there something you want to know? Well, shoot me a DM, leave it in the comments below. Let me know what those questions are, and I'd love to get them answered for you. I'll see you next time.